Understanding the phrase, leech off someone in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, leech off someone. This expression is often used in everyday English, and understanding it can really enhance your conversational skills. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you grasp it fully. The phrase, leech off someone, comes from the behavior of a leech, a small creature that attaches itself to other animals and feeds on their blood. In English, when we say someone is leeching off another person, it means they are taking advantage of that person. Usually, this involves relying on someone else for money, resources, or effort, without giving anything in return or contributing fairly. It's important to note that this phrase often carries a negative connotation, implying a sort of parasitic relationship. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. He's been leeching off his parents for years, living at their house without paying rent or helping with chores. I don't want to be someone who just leeches off my friend's success. She accused her partner of leeching off her fame and fortune. These examples show how the phrase is used in different contexts, all highlighting a situation where one person benefits at the expense of another. When using leech off someone, it's important to consider the context and tone. Since it's a phrase with negative implications, it's best used in situations where you want to express disapproval or criticism of someone's dependent behavior. It's less appropriate in formal or professional settings, and more suited for casual conversations or personal observations. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, leech off someone. We hope this video has been informative and adds a new expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is all about understanding the nuances and contexts of phrases like these. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.